Hi guys, this is Lara from Tisay. Today we will continue our basic French for the beginners, and this is translate to four language: English, Visayan, Tagalog, and French. But before we start that, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Tisay, and also I'm gonna share you the quick story of my life today. 15 years ago, I don't speak French yet, and I try to be a successful person, but I want to have a good job also, but I don't know what to do. So I start learning French twice a day. I have two job, and I have full time on weekdays, and I have part-time on weekend, and also I wake up at 2 a.m. just to study in French 2 hours a day. And I did that, guys. In 3 months I speak French and I understand. So, and I have my first job is I work waitress in the restaurant, and it's a good money and it's a good tip. And guys, trust me, if you wanna be successful person, you really have to pursue your dream and take your time. You will have it, guys. So this is it. This conversation today, this is when you get in the restaurant. So let's start it, guys. Hi, how are you? Two person please. Hi, duha lang katao palihog. Hi, dalawa po kami. Salut, comment ça va? Du s'il vous plaît? Hi in French, salut. How are you? It means in French, comment ça va? Two person, du s'il vous plaît. Salut, comment ça va? Du s'il vous plaît. Is it possible at the back? Pwede sa likod dapit? Maari ba sa likod banda? Est-ce que c'est possible à l'arrière? Is it possible? In French, est-ce que c'est possible? At the back, à l'arrière. Est-ce que c'est possible? À l'arrière. Can I have the menu? Mangayo kog menu? Pahingi ng menu. Est-ce que je peux avoir le menu? Menu in French, menu. Have in French, avoir. Can I have in French, est-ce que je peux avoir? Est-ce que je peux avoir le menu? Are you ready to order? Ready na mo order, ma'am, sir? Handa ka na bang mag-order, ma'am, sir? Êtes-vous prêt à commander? Order in French, commander. Ready in French, prêt. Are you in French, êtes-vous? Êtes-vous prêt à commander? Yes, I would like to have a soup for my appetizer. Sabaw lang ako palihog. Gusto ko ng sopas para sa aking pampagana. Je voudrais avoir une soupe pour mon apéritif. Yes, I would like. In French, je voudrais. Have in French, avoir. Soup in French, soup. For my appetizer, pour mon apéritif. I repeat, je voudrais avoir une soupe pour mon apéritif. What is your meal? Unsay imong panihapon? Anong kainin mo sa hapunan? Quel est votre repas principal? Main meal in French, repas principal. What is yours? Quel est votre? Quel est votre repas principal? I will have a well-done steak for my main course. Sinugbang baka lang ako. Inihaw na steak lang sa akin. Jury on steak, bien fait pour mon plat principal. I will have jury. Well done steak. And friends, steak bien fait. For my main course, pour mon plat principal. Principal means course. Main and friends plat. I will have well done steak for my main course. Jury un steak bien fait pour mon plat principal. Bien fait in English well done. Un steak bien fait pour mon plat principal. And vegetables with rice o gulay dayon unya kanon saka gulay at kanin. Idiligium avec jury. And vegetables, legume with avec rice, idiligium avec jury. Enjoy your meal, mga unta, kain tayo, bon appetit. Bon in English, it's good, but when you use it for enjoy your meal, it's bon appetit. Have you finished? Humana ma'am, sir? Tapos na po ba? Vous savez terminer? Finish and friends terminer. Have you? Vous savez. Vous savez terminer. Would you like something for dessert? Naatay dessert, basin gusto ka. May dessert po tayo, ma'am, sir. To vous manger quelque chose pour le dessert. Would you? To vous. Something, quelque chose. For dessert, pour le dessert. To vous manger quelque chose pour le dessert. I want chocolate cake, please. Chocolate cake lang ako. Gusto ko ng cake na tsokolate. Je veux un gâteau au chocolat. Chocolate and friends au chocolat. Cake and friends gâteau. I want, je veux. Je veux un gâteau au chocolat. So once you're done eating, you have to say to the waiters or waitress, the bill please. Ang bill namo palihog. Bill po namin. And friends, la dishu s'il vous plaît. La dishu s'il vous plaît. A tip. Ang tip nato. Maglagay ka ng tip. And friends, un pourboire. Un pourboire. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel Tisay and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.